guys, Rob Low 4.8 here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about having a 5.7 drop on 24's and show you all around the truck a little. So let me get the truck out the garage and I'll show you all around. So this is my 2010 Chevy Silverado. Has a 5.7 drop on 24-inch Texas editions. The drop was done about 4 years ago by a shop called Static Drops in Pasadena, Texas. They're no longer around, but at the time they did reputable work. I'm running 275 30 24s in the front. As you can see, it rubs very little up here in the fender well. And as far as turning radius, I mean, I can turn all the way and not have any rubbing issues. In the rear, I went with a little bit of media tire. I wanted that wider look in the back, so I went with a 295 30 24. And in the rear, you have more space to run a wider tire. So I thought this was the better look. Focus here. It's not much rubbing, as you can see. You'd have to hit a hard bump or be going pretty fast for it to jump up and rub that spot. When I got the drop done, they recommended 5.7 was the lowest you could go for daily driving. You could probably go lower on a smaller tire and smaller wheel. But if you went lower on 24s, you'd probably have to tub the front and the rear. And I didn't want to go that route. I wanted to keep everything factory tubs without having to modify the truck very much. I wanted to pull the truck out, but the weather's been crap. As you can see, all weekend it's been raining. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. A lot more videos and mods coming soon. I'd like to show you more around the truck and what I've done to it. Thanks for watching, guys.